Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're having issues with the Microsoft Store and you're unable to purchase apps. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve that without too much of a hassle. And a couple things we're going to go through. Make sure you're using an accurate Microsoft account to sign into your Microsoft Store account. So make sure everything's correct, make sure you're signed in. Another thing you want to check, make sure your date and time settings are correct down in your taskbar here. If not, you might want to right click on it and select adjust date and time. And then go down and select underneath synchronize your clock, select the sync now button. And once that's done, go ahead and close out of here. And then attempt to make the purchase if there was an issue with your clock down here to begin with. If you're still having a problem, you can also try just resetting the Microsoft Store. In order to do that, all you have to do is just open up the Start menu, type in WS Reset. Best result should come back with WS Reset here. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. Give it a moment here. And then it should relaunch the Microsoft Store, and hopefully at this point your issue should have been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.